and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got an unboxing for you today, but this one is a little bit different. So I was contacted by a company that does a craft, but it's not diamond painting, and they asked if I would like to give their craft a go. And do an unboxing and a review. Well, I'm a crafty person, so I said yes. So they asked me to choose one of the items from their website. So what I had said was I said that I would, you know, here's a few that I like, you choose. Because then it does end up being a surprise for me as well. So this is what they've sent me. So the tube does sort of give it away, but it's paint by numbers for adults, and the website is Winnie's Picks. So it's winniespicks.com. I will put a link to their website below so that you can check it out, and also they have been kind enough to offer all my subscribers a discount code, so you can get $5 off an order. Now let me just have a look. They did say something about the code. So yeah, there's no minimum purchase required for this $5 off your first order. No minimum purchase, but it is only one per customer, which is fair enough. So I'd say I did send them a list, and the one they've sent me is an Italian evening. Look how pretty that is. I'm not sure if you can see the picture on the tube, but let's have a look. Oh, look how nice is that tube already. Let's have a look at what we get. So, ooh. And that's like a tube inside a tube. So the lid fits on. Oh, I like that. That's a nice touch. Oh, it's on a canvas. It's not just on a piece of paper. It does have a piece of paper in it. Look at that. How can you tell what that is? Can you tell what that is? No, you can't even really see it in the camera. So to lift it up, it's a thin canvas, but it is on a canvas rather than on, it's not as thick as a diamond painting canvas, but it's not paper. Can you see there? So that is all the numbers, because of course it's paint by numbers. You can't quite see what the image is yet, because of course that's the way it's supposed to happen. So we've got a thank you so much for your order, and a little coupon code. What else have we got? Oh, so it looks like you do get it in a paper form as well. Now the paper one you'll probably be able to see, you can see the numbers and stuff a lot clearer than you can on the big one. You can also, I mean, some of the numbers are a lot smaller, of course, than they are on this, because this is a bigger size. But on this, you can make out that this is a boat. So you can make out the boats in the bottom. You can sort of make out the buildings in the background. So we get it in paper and in canvas. Okay, and then we get, so relax and create beautiful art. This will be quite nice to do for a change, to do some painting. But welcome to the wonderful, coloured and fascinating world of painting by numbers. If you're looking for a relaxing hobby, you've just found it. They've got, also they've got a share your painting with them. And each month a lucky participant, can't even speak today, will be picked at random to receive $100 coupon. Then it's got review information and then paint by numbers instructions. So afraid of making a mess of your first paint by numbers? Here are some tips to help you make the most out of your first. This will be good for me. Take your time, enjoy and relax. Clear a flat area to start and make sure there is good light. Get a cup of water, ideally warm with mild soap, and paper towels to clean your brushes. Clean them when they start to get all gunked up or when you change your colour. The paint dries fast, so make sure the tops are completely closed when you're done with them. Use enough paint so as to cover the numbers and the lines. And if the paint is too thick, you can mix it with a drop of water. Toothpicks work well for mixing, and start wherever you want. If you're right-handed, we suggest starting on the left to avoid putting your arm in fresh paint. So a little bit different to diamond painting, where we start from the right hand side so that we're avoiding the sticky. On this, we'd start from the left so that we're avoiding the paint. Makes sense? Ooh, look at these. So these are actually, these are all the numbers, but they're shrink wrapped. So that is one, I would say, to help protect it in packaging, that they're not going to spill. But I would also think that would help keep the paints fresh because you're taking the air out of it. But we've got 7 to 12, there we go. So we've got 1 to 6, 7 to 12, 13 to 18 and 19 to 24. So we've got 24 colours. They are so pretty. And here is another picture, clear. This is loads easier than the tube to hold up. But that's the painting that I've got. This one is called An Italian Evening. See where all the lovely blues and purples and stuff come out of it. That is really nice. I do like that. An Italian Evening. Oh, and then you do get, oh, this is good. So you do also get some fixings and some screws for hanging it up. Now, I'm not sure. I mean, you may have to put this on something a little bit thicker because, of course, the screws are poked through, but you've got them there. And we've got 4 brushes. This is going to be some detailed work, I can tell you. I think I'm going to really enjoy doing this. Oh, I've lost the top off one of them. Oh, get that to go back on. So we have a wide brush. So that'll be for the bigger areas, but I'm seeing quite a lot of small areas, and I've just lost another top. But we do have 3 different thick. In fact, let's take them off so you can see. Oh, I lost the end of my paintbrush. There we go. So we do have 3 different brushes there. Now, are those 2 different sizes? Those 2 look to be about the same size, but they have got such fine tips on them for you to get in all those little grooves. That one's a little bit bigger. And then, of course, we've got the one that's a lot wider, but you've got 4 brushes there, so it's absolutely plenty. Let's have a... Ooh. That's going to be fun. I like the fact I've just had a look here at one piece that sort of goes quite a way, goes quite a long way round. It does have the number 14 in it a few times, just so that you do know you still need to be doing the number 14. But I think for starters, I think I'm going to start on some of these big numbers at the top, just while I get a feel for how the paint moves and how the paint works, because I have not done a paint by numbers since I was a young child. I can't even say teenager. I was definitely a young child last time I did paint by numbers, so yeah, I think apart from that, all I tend to do is the decorating. I've been doing it today, but yeah, you sort of bigger paintbrush for that one. But this is the painting that I've got, so thank you so much to Winnie's Picks. That is a gorgeous painting, and I am actually really looking forward to the challenge of doing this. I think I'm going to use this one for a reference, but I think I'm going to do it straight, of course, onto the canvas one. I'm not sure if that's the way you're supposed to do it. It makes sense to me to do it straight on the canvas. And yeah, there is a lot of numbers on that canvas, but the printing is really, really clear. Let's see if I can zoom you in rather than lift it up. Because of course you can't have the print too dark, because you've got to put paint on top of it. And some of these paint colours are really, really light. But yeah, when that focuses again, they are clear on what they are. Even the smaller numbers do seem really, really clear on what they are. So I think that is going to be really interesting to do. I'm not sure how soon I'm going to do it. Which way am I going? I'm trying to zoom out and I keep zooming in and then zooming out and then zooming in. Yeah, so I'm not sure exactly when I'm going to get to do this, but it is something that I want to do soon. So I'll be sure to pop back with a video, either with it partially completed or with it fully completed, once I get the bug and get going. I'm sure it'll get done quite quickly. I'm trying to work out, is that a sticker? Yeah, this is also a sticker. I'm guessing it's the same sort of sticker as what they put on the front of the tube, but that's the picture. I'll pop all details to the website, and of course the code for yourself to get $5 off. They were very reasonable priced anyway. In my opinion, the prices seem really good for what you're getting. You know, you're getting your own piece of art painted by you. So if you fancy a little bit of a change from diamond painting, maybe a little bit of a dabble in something else, Christmas period's coming up, treat yourself, give yourself something to do if you are fortunate enough to be off over the holidays. Maybe have a dabble in a bit of paint by numbers. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.